What's up, Buttercups? Hope you guys are having an amazingly golden day with cherries on top. This is your first time watching. My name is Elvis. You are watching the Golden Drive, and that is a 2024 Nissan Z. And I'm here, or in this video, I just wanted to answer the question because I made an order for this car, about 6 months ago now, and I still haven't gotten any information about it, delivery dates and all that. So I just wanted to make just an update on where is my Nissan Z. And I am currently at West Coast Nissan. West Coast Nissan, they got this car in. This is the first, it's not the first one in Canada, but when did this car arrive? You guys can come closer.
I know, we don't want to scratch
I know.
This car actually arrived, I think, on the 24th.
Oh, so an early Christmas present.
Friday night, yeah.
Oh, Friday night, so the 20th.
Okay.
When was that?
22nd.
22nd?
Anyhow, it arrived before
I'm still
New
recovering
Year.
from the holidays. I don't know what day it is. It's actually my Monday.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. Late Friday evening, I think it came.
It looks amazing.
Yeah.
The other one was, what was that? You know that color that we saw the last time?
The one we saw
Red?
last was that
Like burgundy or
I don't
something?
know the exact term for the red, but it was the red one.
Yeah.
But this one.
This looks,
crazy.
It looks, which one do you guys prefer? This one or the red? Or
Fan of the yellow.
Yellow?
It's striking.
Yeah, this one? Yeah.
If I'm gonna drive
it
a
is
fast
so
car,
striking.
If I'm gonna drive a
You want to
fast
be
car,
seen. Well, yeah, this looks amazing. And so this is a proto spec, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a proto spec Z. It's also a manual too, which is actually really cool. And I think it looks so much better than the previous, than the red one, because it also has some really cool accents. If you can look inside, it has some like yellow accented seats and yellow stitching. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. And it is so awesome. Look at the manual transmission. It has a digital dash. I already did like a comprehensive, not really a comprehensive video, but I kind of talked a little bit about it before. But in person, this looks, I got the black, or I ordered the black one, but honestly now I'm regretting that decision because this color is so nice and you can be seen from a mile away, so maybe that's bad, but
you know what? For me, this angle I love the best.
Yes.
I love the lights.
Oh, the lights look so nice. 300 ZX. Yeah, it's kind of cloudy.
Yeah.
It looks awesome. And so is this on, are these cars on sale yet? Like what's the...
These cars are gonna be available soon.
Okay.
Yeah, we just this one in particular.
Yeah.
Right. We just have to make sure everything
is good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that'll probably take a while. I also wanted to ask this question too because I'm sure a lot of people have the same question, and I don't know if Nissan has Nissan corporate has let you guys know any info, but where are all the Zs? I feel like I've started to see some getting delivered in California and like some other states, but I don't know where all the Zs are.
So weird thing, we didn't even know this one was coming.
Okay.
Yeah. We got an email the day of saying, what time are you guys open till? 6 o'clock. We're delivering a Z to you.
Oh, okay.
So Nissan doesn't even tell us.
They didn't even tell you.
No.
Oh, wow.
Oh, luckily the transport company called us because we didn't want to leave this out overnight.
Yeah, in the open.
Yeah, in the open.
Yeah, that's so interesting. So you have no ETA right now as of
Zero.
when the cars are arriving. That's so interesting. But it's also expected because that's what the whole world I think is going through.
Correct.
The same thing. If you order almost any car now, you have to wait for.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, they don't want to get anyone's hopes up.
Yes.
Hey, yours is coming next week.
Oh my God.
Why not? Right.
Yeah. So it's also interesting now because the question is, do people, because I'm sure there's a lot of competitors too. There's a Supra, there's what else? The BMW Z4, all of that stuff. And so I would still wait for this, but I don't know if that'll also affect sales in the future, if people are gonna go the other route because the car's already out yet or not, but yeah.
Well, I think to answer that question is, if you grew up a fan of this car, you're gonna wait for it.
Yeah, I think so.
If you grew up a fan of a Supra, you're gonna wait for
True.
one too.
True.
If you got a lot of money to burn,
You can, no need to wait. You can just go out and get both.
Probably. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So I think something like this is, You know, I was saying earlier that it's hard to really capture what this car looks like on film, on media.
Yep.
In person, it's just gorgeous.
It's amazing. This color, yeah, it doesn't appear very well on camera, but in person, it looks so good. And you can see the lines so well with this like sunny weather. You can see all the little like details and all of that. And I'm also not gonna be able to drive this today because obviously it's not my car and they still have stuff to do to it before it's ready. I can't really drive this now, which I'm like, oh, I really wish I could because 400 horsepower, come on, in these conditions would be glorious. Well, have you guys driven it yet?
I have. Yes, I have.
How does it drive in the few feet that you
I am not allowed to.
You're not allowed to disclose. Come on.
As a company vehicle, but I can tell that if it is your car and you are allowed to drive it, that it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
It's got the 6-cylinder rear-wheel drive. And it's going to be a lot of fun on the road.
Oh my gosh, it looks beautiful though. Look at it. Yes.
This car isn't sold.
Oh, it's not sold.
No, it's not sold.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not sold. It's online.
Okay.
Yeah, it's online.
So if anyone is interested in this, they should contact you guys.
That's correct.
Yes. So you should probably also do that because this thing looks awesome and I'm gonna guess it's not gonna be here for long. So if you're interested, again, contact West Coast Nissan and they can sort you out with this glorious car. So unfortunately,
no joyrides.
Yes, no joyrides. Like you probably have to buy it first before you test drive it, honestly, because this is the only one that you guys have.
It's one of those cars, right?
Yeah.
Like if someone test drove the crap out of your car, your car, you wouldn't want it.
Very true.
Plus, the person coming to buy this vehicle is usually fairly serious.
Yeah, very true. So mine is still on the way. I love this color, but at the same time, I want to get it in black because I want to wrap it later on. And the friends that I have that wrap cars, they said black is the best car to get it wrapped in, as opposed to wrapping over this in like blue and purple and all of that. It would not look nice if you open the engine bay and see a different color. So yeah, but also I can't afford the extra price and the extra everything with the Proto. So that's why with this one being the Proto, I got the base model. Base, everything, manual, stock, everything, like comes with the regular diff, open diff. I just got it because I'm also gonna modify it too. So I didn't think there was any point in getting this one. Let me get into the interior, but it's so familiar coming from the 370Z. It's very, very familiar. It's very similar, like design all around. The interior, I think, is the most differential thing. It looks completely different from the other car, the outgoing 370Z. And I just love this gauge cluster, that it's just completely digital. It looks amazing. This stick shift, so awesome. And it's so quiet too. It's so quiet, like it's like, it sounds like a washing machine. Yeah, it's too quiet. And it also has a soft limiter too, so it doesn't even sound. Wait, actually, it doesn't have a soft limiter. It doesn't have like the 370, my 370s, it had a soft limiter at like 3,000 RPM, but this kept on going. So this is a really cool car. Again, if you're interested in this car, you can hit up West Coast Nissan and they will get you sorted out. You can see that twin turbo V6. Oh, so awesome. With that said, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like to give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next Golden Drive. If you want to see this car on my channel, and if you want me to modify it, just comment below, like this video. With that said, I will catch you guys at the next Golden Drive. Bye.